Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some demand forecasting trivia. What statistical method is commonly used for time series data? Is it A, linear regression, B, ANOVA, C, regression analysis, or D, ARIMA? The correct answer is D, ARIMA. What technique aims to predict future customer demand? Is it A, demand planning, B, inventory management, C, market research, or D, supply chain analysis? The correct answer is A, demand planning. Which computer program predicts inventory requirements? Is it A, sales analytics tool, B, supply chain management, C, inventory tracking app, or D, demand forecasting software? The correct answer is D, demand forecasting software. What analysis method uses historical sales data? Is it A, SWOT analysis, B, regression analysis, C, market research, or D, time series analysis? The correct answer is D, time series analysis. Which quantifies buyer interest for products over time? Is it A, market trends, B, sales forecasting, C, price analysis, or D, consumer surveys? The correct answer is B, sales forecasting. What is used to calculate seasonal effects in demand forecasting? Is it A, moving average, B, seasonal adjustment, C, linear regression, or D, historical data? The correct answer is B, seasonal adjustment. What technique uses various predictors for forecast accuracy? Is it A, linear projection, B, multiple regression, C, time series, or D, simple average? The correct answer is B, multiple regression. What forecasting approach estimates demand based on trends? Is it A, trend analysis, B, seasonal variation, C, random forecasting, or D, historical data? The correct answer is A, trend analysis. What term describes the degree of error in forecasts? Is it A, estimation validity, B, forecast precision, C, prediction reliability, or D, forecast accuracy? The correct answer is D, forecast accuracy. Which statistical concept measures the reliability of forecasts? Is it A, mean absolute error, B, variance, C, standard deviation, or D, confidence interval? The correct answer is D, confidence interval. What process continuously updates forecasts with new data? Is it A, static analysis, B, historical data, C, quarterly review, or D, rolling forecast? The correct answer is D, rolling forecast. Which tool helps visualize demand cycles and trends? Is it A, chart, B, calendar, C, spreadsheet, or D, dashboard? The correct answer is D, dashboard. What algorithm estimates future values based on past values? Is it A, exponential smoothing, B, linear regression, C, Monte Carlo, or D, moving average? The correct answer is A, exponential smoothing. Which forecasting tool uses algorithms for prediction? Is it A, machine learning, B, predicts based on historical data without algorithms, C, statistical analysis, or D, weather app? The correct answer is A, machine learning. What variance measures forecast error differences? Is it A, root mean square, B, standard deviation, C, mean absolute deviation, or D, variance? The correct answer is C, mean absolute deviation. Which software assists in supply chain forecasting? Is it A, Photoshop, B, Oracle DB, C, QuickBooks, or D, SAP IBP? The correct answer is D, IBP. What is a common quantitative forecasting method based on averages? Is it A, moving averages, B, time series analysis, C, linear regression, or D, exponential growth? The correct answer is A, moving averages. Which approach factors in external variables for predictions? Is it A, causal forecasting, B, random guessing, C, time series analysis, or D, statistical averaging? The correct answer is A, causal forecasting. What type of forecasting is typically employed for new products? Is it A, judgmental forecasting, B, statistical modeling, C, time series analysis, or D, historical data? The correct answer is A, judgmental forecasting. What historical analysis technique refines predictions over time? Is it A, correlation coefficient, B, time series decomposition, C, historical narratives, or D, regression analysis? The correct answer is B, time series decomposition. Which forecasting error metric is calculated as a percentage? Is it A, mean absolute percentage error, B, mean squared error, C, root mean squared error, or D, standard deviation? The correct answer is A, mean absolute percentage error. What term describes the visual representation of demand data? Is it A, forecast chart, B, pie chart, C, bar graph, or D, line graph? The correct answer is A, forecast chart. Which algorithm is used for complex predictive modeling? Is it A, decision trees, B, artificial neural networks, C, k-nearest neighbors, or D, linear regression? The correct answer is B, artificial neural networks. Which method enhances forecast reliability using historical data? Is it A, historical data analysis, B, random guessing, C, machine learning, or D, future predictions? The correct answer is A, historical data analysis. Which statistical method identifies trends from past data? Is it A, regression analysis, B, ANOVA, C, factor analysis, or D, correlation coefficient? The correct answer is A, regression analysis. Which software platform specializes in demand planning? Is it A, SAP Analytics, B, IBM Watson, C, Microsoft Dynamics, or D, Oracle Demantra? The correct answer is D, Oracle Demantra. What business approach integrates demand and supply planning? Is it A, sales forecasting, B, supply chain optimization, C, demand management, or D, integrated business planning? The correct answer is D, integrated business planning. What denotes the average amount sold over time in forecasting? Is it A, sales velocity, B, sales pipeline, C, revenue projection, or D, sales volume? The correct answer is A, sales velocity. Which approach enhances competition with demand visibility? Is it A, demand redistribution, B, collaborative forecasting, C, inventory optimization, or D, price wars? The correct answer is B, collaborative forecasting. What is a widely used forecasting algorithm for time series? Is it A, k-means clustering, B, moving average, C, Holt-Winters, or D, linear regression? The correct answer is C, Holt-Winters. Which term describes adjustments made for promotional impacts? Is it A, budget allocation, B, promotion planning, C, market analysis, or D, campaign strategy? The correct answer is B, promotion planning. What framework evaluates forecast performance metrics? Is it A, market research, B, key performance indicators, C, prediction analysis, or D, statistical models? The correct answer is B, key performance indicators. What methodology clusters similar data points for predictions? Is it A, decision trees, B, clustering analysis, C, regression analysis, or D, time series? The correct answer is B, clustering analysis. Which process combines different forecasting models? Is it A, ensemble method, B, model averages, C, signal smoothing, or D, forecast combination? The correct answer is D, forecast combination. What type of software uses analytical techniques for forecasting? Is it A, analytics software, B, web browsers, C, accounting software, or D, game development? The correct answer is A, analytics software. What research method involves customer feedback in forecasting? Is it A, product testing, B, market research, C, forecast analysis, or D, case studies? The correct answer is B, market research. What term relates to diminishing return patterns in demand? Is it A, supply chain management, B, law of demand, C, law of diminishing returns, or D, market equilibrium? The correct answer is C, law of diminishing returns. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.